The LULULEMON Mapleview project came just before the completion of the Toronto Eaton Centre storefront. Consistent with their brand identity, all of the locations are unique and typically reflect the community they are expanding into. This storefront design was a pilot project of a facade that LULULEMON had always hoped to achieve, of long, tapering, triangulated forms extending from ceiling to floor. The project underwent a few rounds of value engineering before it signed in order to achieve the project budget. Our project development team worked closely with the architect Quadrangle and LULULEMON's in-house design team to finesse the facade and develop a solution that could not only satisfy the budget, but also the condensed timeline by using standard stock materials. This project carried a 7-week lead time to design, produce, and install a custom wall cladding system, so finding efficiencies was critical. Although the materials used to produce the facade were standard, the process and required design details were atypical. Par for the course, the designer would not have accepted visible face fasteners, so we needed to develop a solution that could use adhesive, but not solely rely on it given the application and the engineering requirement. We partnered with 2 of our preferred adhesive vendors, 3M and Loctite, and had them come to the facility to test a variety of products which had various cure times, allowing the team to combine instant hold when installing the caps on site, but also enough flexibility that they could properly position the piece before it was stuck in place. The condensed timeline mandated that they only had one shot to get this right, and relied heavily on a digital fabrication process. The design team used SolidWorks to assemble the multi-layered panelized assembly in digital space, programming all required details into our model from other vendors such as the windows, the signage, and the returns for the mall columns which interrupt the facade in 3 locations. Bend deductions in the breakform process were calculated in order to assure accurate fit of the stacked assemblies. With no face fasteners, it presented limitations to achieving the client-specified powder-coated finish, as there weren't any holes to hang the cap pieces to support the process. A small tab that the piece could hang from was added to the top of each cap piece that could be broken off after powder coating. This tab also shows the part number, which was helpful as we didn't need to etch or stamp each part number into the face and risk telegraphing through onto the finished face of the part. It's obvious that all 678 parts, although each is incredibly unique with how they align to the assembly, they're optically indistinguishable for the most part. The digitally fabricated process also allowed part numbers to be cut into the flanges and the MDF backers to support an expedited assembly process. The design team developed a logical part tracking system, separating the layers into series to easily delineate one part from another. With all of these details being so interdependent, the critical element which helped us to achieve the project's success was 2 rounds of mock-ups. These mock-ups helped us to test all project specifics by testing the most extreme conditions on the storefront. We learned countless lessons on these mock-ups, but most specifically we learned which adhesives to use, which size to make the hanging tabs, finessing the dowel location system, and how much space to allow for the tool to fasten the screws through to the substrates. Ultimately, the only reason that this project was successful was because of a digital fabrication in combination with mock-up testing. Ultimately, the only reason that this project was successful was because of digital fabrication in combination with mock-up testing. By developing the entire storefront in digital space, we were able to first identify areas of concern and then completed sample size testing of those conditions until we were confident with the system. It goes without saying that our ability to custom develop, fabricate, assemble, and install a custom geometrically complex architectural paneling system in less than 2 months is an incredible achievement. Shout out to this astounding project team.